Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device freezes. So if your laptop is stuck frozen, you have to first detect whether it's frozen fully or partially. So first use a combination of 3 keys, Ctrl, Alt and Delete buttons. Just press 3 of them at the same time and you should see this kind of menu on your screen. Here you have to select Task Manager and then the Task Manager will open. Now let's pretend that the Chrome application is the one that causing our device to freeze. So what you have to do is right click on it on the list of applications and select End Task, and after that your laptop should return back to normal. And if you weren't able to do this, that probably means that your device is frozen fully. So what you have to do is press and hold the power button and wait until the power indicator under your display shuts down. It might take up to 1 minute of holding sometimes if your device is seriously frozen. Then once it shuts down, press the power button once again and your laptop will restart and should return back to normal. Now if you weren't able to force restart your device, then just unplug the charging cable and leave your device until it discharges. And once it happens, just plug in the charging cable back into your computer and press the power button after 15 minutes of charging, and it should turn back on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.